Sherwin Winting Gatchalian, born April 6, 1974, is a Filipino politician and businessman who has served as the acting president of the Senate of the Philippines since 2026 in his capacity as Senate President pro tempore, a disputed position he assumed that same year. A member of the Nationalist People's Coalition, he is in his second term as a senator of the Philippines, having been elected to the chamber in 2016. Gatchalian previously served as the representative of Valenzuela's 1st District from 2001 to 2004, and from 2013 to 2016, from 2004 to 2013. He served as the 25th mayor of Valenzuela. Gatchalian was born to industrialist William Gatchalian and D.H. Ting. He is the eldest of 4 siblings, including namely Kenneth, Rex, and Wes Gatchalian. The Gatchalian family is of Chinese descent. Gatchalian finished his elementary and secondary education at Grace Christian High School in the 1980s in Quezon City and graduated with a degree in Finance and Operations Management from Boston University in 1995. President pro tempore and acting president of the Senate. On June 3, 2026, Gatchalian was elected as president pro tempore of the Senate on the day of the Senate's signed die adjournment. The session was attended by the then 11-member minority bloc and Senator Francis Escudero, constituting a quorum. All elective positions were declared vacant, and Gatchalian was designated acting president of the Senate in his capacity as president pro tempore. As acting president due to the absence of Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, his bloc reshuffled the leadership of the Senate committees. Personal life. In 2007, Gatchalian began a relationship with actress and television host Pauline Luna. The couple separated in 2008. In 2018, he began dating actress and beauty queen Bianca Manalo. In an interview in January 2026, Gatchalian stated that his relationship was non-existent, which was widely interpreted as confirmation that he and Manalo had ended their relationship. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.